In this video, I want to share with you some free Ideogram campaign prompts that you can use for your Merch by Amazon business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how you can make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you some of those free camping prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Monday, May 27th, 5:17 p.m. and I'm sitting at 33 sales, $59 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,770 sales for the month and $2,604 for the month in royalties. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that I've had this goal for a while now, ever since the beginning of the year, to either average $100 a day or do $3,000 a month. And I'm right on pace, but it's going to be close. So comment below and let me know if you think if I will make it or not. And another cool thing is that this is actually a record for me. I've never made $2,600. My previous record was in March, where I did $2,500 and change. So things are on the up. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for almost 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So a big niche that is going to start to be trending is the camping niche. It's going to be trending because it's summer. Every year this niche does very well on Merch by Amazon. Americans love to go camping. So we're going to see a big spike or increase in camping t-shirt sales. So I wanted to share with you some prompts that you guys can make some designs for it, upload them onto Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. So basically what I did is I made a Word file of 25 prompts, and you can actually download 3 of them for free on Gumroad. The link will be in the description. So all you do is just come here, you just type in 0, hit add to cart. Now if you want, you can make a donation, but that is not necessary. You can just get it for free. That's totally fine. I won't email you or anything like that. But then if you like these prompts and you want more, you can click on the second link and you can get the remaining 22 prompts right here for only $2.50, only 10 cents a prompt. So the links will be in the description. I'm going to show you all what the prompts or what all the designs look like. So let's go ahead and get into the first one. So the first one is this one right here. It's kind of a funny one. Let's get campfire drunk. Now you don't want to select youth for this. This isn't for kids because it has the word drunk. I'm pretty sure drunk will get you a rejection, so just make sure you don't select that. Like right here, you're going to see in the Word file. This is it right here. I say don't select youth just to keep your account safe. But looks pretty good. Let's get drunk. Everything looks like it is spelled right. They got the campfire. I think this one also might even be better. I just wish it was all orange. What you can do here is you can pop it into Photoshop or Canva, and you can just change the color of the L, the T, the S, and these little accents on the side to this nice kind of orange yellow color. I think this looks really nice. The other ones I don't think turned out too well because the rainbow looks a little weird there, and also the color scheme looks a little weird there as well. Maybe you could change it, but I think this one and this one are the best. So that's the first one that I have for you. And then this is the second prompt right here. It's kind of a funny one. You're going to have to use your imagination for this one, but I like to be on top. It's kind of camping, also like for hiking as well. Trailblazers. Here what some of the other ones look like. I think this one's the best because it has a nice solid black background. These ones look more like they're for like book covers. But these prompts, they're all magic prompts, so you can see they're very descriptive, very detailed, a lot of text. I also like to click the word illustration right here. That usually helps me get a better design. That is going to be the second prompt that I have for you. And then here's the third prompt right here, and this is actually one of my favorites. That is why I used it on the thumbnail for the actual Word file. But if we come back, we're going to see this is what the prompt looks like. Again, very detailed, descriptive, a vibrant and whimsical camping theme. When you do these magic prompts, they use these really descriptive words. You can see it's on a nice black background, but this came out really nice. This is my camping shirt. Looks like everything is spelled nicely or correctly. They have the little stars, accents. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. That one looks pretty good. Just that is kind of weird. That C there, and they spelled shirt wrong. What about this one? This is my camping shirt. Just have to get rid of that, but I think that could work. What about this one? Oh, this one looks good. This is my, again, there's some, when it's messed up like this, what I like to do is I just like to hit remix, and then you'll get 4 more variations, and then you can find the one that you like, and you can even remix it again. You can move the image weight, so like right here, if you want it to look more or less. When they have mistakes like this, what I will usually do is I will move it down a little bit so it gives me kind of a different design. But I think this one right here turned out really good and can definitely work. And we've seen this phrase sell very well on Merch by Amazon. Basically, this is the phrase right here. This is my, and then you just pop in the niche, whether it's this is my Halloween shirt, this is my pajama shirt. This is my camping shirt, but a really good design right here, really good prompt. And now let me go ahead and show you what the other 22 remaining prompts and designs look like. So right here we got glamping. It's like camping with electricity, wine, and much less dirt. So glamping is actually a sub niche of camping. I'm actually going to make another video specifically about glamping. That's probably going to be my next one. But this came out really nice right here, you can see. And then we got I'd rather be camping. This is another popular phrase that we've seen do very well. I'd rather be, and then you just pop in whatever the niche is. Now I did go ahead and trademark check all these for the clothing category. I don't upload onto pop sockets or phone cases, tote bags, pillows, so I don't even really check those. That's why I always say you never want to take my word for it. Always do your research. But I did check these. I didn't see anything pop up, but like I said, just do your research. This one I think turned out really nice. Queen of the RV. I think that looks cool. This one right here, Take It Easy. This is another glamping one, Glamping Squad. This is one that looks really good. Retired under new management. You'll find me in my office. You call it camping. I call it zombie survival training, so that's a funny one. My favorite camping buddies call me Dad. Let me get my face out the way here so you can see. 5th grade crew. I love peeing outside. Camping, where you spend a tiny fortune to live like a homeless person. That's pretty funny. This one I would probably change maybe the colors. I think I got the colors on the mountains wrong. Maybe do like white instead of this yellow, and maybe, I don't know, maybe the orange could work. I'm a camping grandma, just like a normal grandma, except much cooler. So we've seen this phrase also do very well for many niches. Burnt out, but optimistic. The ones with the s'mores and the marshmallows, I think, turned out the best. So right here, look how good this is. Burnt out, but optimistic. This girl loves camping. Girls have s'more fun. Official s'more tester. This could be the best one right here. Group hug. It's really funny. You can see the marshmallow looks all scared and on fire, and then the chocolate and the graham cracker are kind of laughing. Camping cousin crew. I'm a flip-flops and camping kind of girl. Another really good s'more one. S'more squad. Camp counselor. Camping and beer. That's why I'm here. And then this one I already showed you. And these were the first 3 that I already showed you right here. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and download the first 3 for free. And with these prompts, you can just go ahead and like scale them, you know. So like if there's something that if we go back here, let's just click on this one. So what you can do is you can just use the magic prompt, and basically you just change out the text to something else, you know. So you get the nice prompt, but you just change out the text, so you can scale these as well and just have different text basically instead of using this. So it's basically scalable. So if you like those 3 and you want the other remaining 22, you can get them for only $2.50. The links for those will be in the description. And now I just want to go over some resources on how I get daily sales like this on Merch by Amazon. So I'm now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So you just click this join button right here. You can watch this kind of intro video to get kind of more information. But basically I'm offering 3 tiers. Bronze tier is basically if you just want to support the free content. You get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments, but the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold memberships or tiers. The silver is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. It's a members only video. It will come out on Monday morning at 6 a.m. Central, and these videos are going to have 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches, and they're also going to come with prompts. And then you're also going to get a daily market update on my YouTube channel. So you just come over here to my YouTube channel. Right here you'll see, you go to the membership tab. Let me give you or show you an example of what one of these look like. So basically I'm going to give you a daily market update, sharing with you some type of trending niche. Now there has to be something trending. Last week there were so many trending weeks. This week it's been a little harder, so I'm just kind of waiting for something to pop off. If there isn't a trending niche, I'll try and give you some other value, like a prompt, an evergreen niche, maybe a niche to even stay away from, like there's a lot of NBA playoff niches that you kind of want to stay away from, as you do want to stay away from, so those will get you in trouble. But basically I give you a trending niche. So like the one that I gave 6 days ago was y'all out, y'all won, we out teachers. I talk about why it's trending, show you an example of a recent design that is selling. I also give you a prompt for that trending niche. I share with you a image or design from my Creative Fabrica shop, and I even give you a brand title and bullet 1 and bullet point 2 keywords that you can use for the design. So you're just going to get a lot of value in the silver package. But if you want to sign up for the gold, you're going to get everything in the silver package, and then with the gold, once a month you're going to get a Word file at the beginning of each month, and it's going to be of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So today is May 27th, so if you become a gold member today, on June 1st, you would get access to a Word file of 100 prompts for trending niches that will be trending in July. All right, so basically just a lot of value. The silver, it's only $7 a month, and the gold is only $10. And if this join button is not available in your country, you can actually just come to any one of my videos, click on the description, go to right here to my Patreon page where I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price, just over on Patreon. So that is the memberships I'm offering. And then if you're a beginner to Merch by Amazon and you're struggling to get sales, I have a beginner's merch course. It's this link right here. I offer it over on Gumroad. It's only 20 bucks. This is really good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I'm going to teach you everything that I learned over my 7 years on Merch by Amazon. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. You know, averaging about $100 a day, 121, 84, 102, 106, 53, 63, then back up to 87. Sitting at 59 with you know, more time to go. Tier 8000, just waiting to get tiered up here. I got basically 95% of my slots filled out, so just waiting for that to happen. But if you're interested, you can take a look at that Gumroad course. And then if you want some freebies, just click on my name right here. And I actually have some, you can see like the other courses that I offer, like 2 for Etsy, 1 for Redbubble. But then I have these free prompts for Father's Day, for trending June niches, Redbubble niches. Also have paid ones, so you can pay here for only 10 bucks. This one's only 4 bucks. I got some free 4th of July ones, camping, these ones I just showed you. This glamping one, I'll be talking about this one probably tomorrow or the next day. So if you're interested, links for all that stuff will be in the description. But that is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed those free prompts. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.